Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a very delicious recipe. So cheesy and yummy and very suitable for dinner or breakfast. Turkish Börek with cheese is the best recipe, which is so easy to make. Let's see and learn together what we're going to need and how we're going to make this very nice dish. The Turkish Börek with the cheese. I think that the people in Turkey eat the Börek every day. It's really so yummy. You can't believe that. If you try it once, you should repeat it over and over again. I make it once a week and I think it's wonderful. Let's start. I'll make this mixture and I'm going to show you after that how we're going to use it. I added 1 cup of milk, half cup of oil. You can choose any oil you want, olive oil or vegetables oil. 2 eggs, and I'll put 1 yolk on a side and I'll show you how I'm going to use it. Now I'm going to mix the ingredients together very well, and I'm going to have a little bit thicky mixture. I'll use it to wet the Yofka bread. I'm going to show you what is the Yofka bread after that. Now I'm finished. This is the Yofka bread. It's one kind of the Turkish bread. You can find it in the Turkish market or Arabic market. I'll use cheese, sesame, and black grain to fill the bread. The Yofka bread is a little bit thin. I'll put it like this, and I'm going to put some from the mixture that I made on the bread, just like this. I'll be sure that I put the mixture on the whole bread, because if we don't do this step, the bread will be so dry in the oven and then you're not going to get the Börek that you want. Now I'll put some cheese. I used mozzarella cheese 200 gram and feta cheese 200 gram too. I'll put it like this on the bread and I'm going to roll it just like this. So easy. I'll close the sides, both of them, because I don't want the cheese to run away from the bread. Believe me, that's not going to be good. Now I made 3 pieces to show you how you make your Börek. And after that, I'll put it in a big tray and I'll cover it with the mixture that I used before. And I'll cover it with the yolk too. The yolk that I put it aside at the beginning of the video to get a golden color. It's better when you put with the yolk 1 spoon of vinegar. That will make the bad smell of egg disappear. I'll cover the whole surface, like I said, to get the golden color that I want. I'll cover it with sesame and black grain. And after that, I'm going to put it in the oven, in the middle of the oven, with high temperature, till it gets the golden color that I want. Now it's ready. I'll cover it for 10 minutes because I don't want it to be hard. And after that, it's going to be ready and perfect. Look at it. It's wonderful with a cup of tea. It's really so yummy. If you like the video today, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments and I'll be so happy to answer it. I'll put the ingredients in the description box under the video. And if you like the video, don't forget to share it with friends. See you in a new video and a new recipe very soon. And till that time, I wish you to be happy and healthy. Bye bye.